match number 87 is underway. We're here in Galileo. This is autonomous. Big flurry by the gearheads put in, and their partners LYNK as well. So the Blue Alliance going to town, and now Orbit doing it. So the Blue Alliance going to town and autonomous over 200 points. Wow, that's the most I've seen. So we're going to enter, after the transition here, we enter into the shift one. The Red Alliance is going to be active. They're hub and they're going to be on offense, but they've already got quite a deficit to overcome. 2 minutes to go in this match, and already a 140-point lead for the Blue Alliance. That was an incredible autonomous round by the blue teams. And here they go once again. The gearheads scoring. Over 300 points, and they're getting close to 400. So the Blue Alliance going to go over 400 points here, and we're only in shift number 2. 450 points. Here comes shift 3. Iron Mosquitos putting them in, Wings of Fire putting them in for the Red Alliance. But the Blue Alliance over 500 points already, and there's still a minute to go in this match. More scoring here in shift number 3 by the Red Alliance. They're up to about 225, but holy cow! Look at that onslaught of fuel cells by the Blue Alliance. They're going to go over 600 points momentarily here. They're way over 600, and we've still got over half a minute to go. Blue Alliance, looks like they're trying to get a new high score here on Galileo. We go into the end game. Red is on offense as well. Holy cow. When you got multiple blue robots scoring, it's amazing. All right, we're up to 750 now. 15 seconds to go. Can they beat that 830 some odd point high score we have? Let's see. They go over 800. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. This is definitely going to be a high score here